Okay, so we're just getting the head all cleaned and prepped over the dirt. Isn't that nice? We're gonna put some plastic down in a minute and do one final cleaning on it, get it ready to go. The head, we're still doing surface prep on it, getting it ready for the mating. A couple things, I got to put these little shims on. These are self-adhesive on one side and they go on the very ends. You can kind of see the outline of them there. And that just shims up the ends on it. Oops. Good thing I didn't peel the sticky stuff off yet. And then we're going to finish cleaning this all up and get it ready to go. Start getting the O-rings on there. I'll show you some of that stuff. One thing that I never knew when talking to Joe is that on these perimeter head gaskets, the green or the colored side needs to go out, not up. A lot of people put it up, but where they put the seam and stuff like that, it's whatever the thickness and everything is certified for that way, the uniformity, not the other way. So the green side goes out. And then these are all the little rubber O-rings. So we're getting there. So we've got the head surface all prepped, ready to go for the head to go on. I got a couple of guide studs that we're going to slide in once we get it pretty close to position. That way we don't have to have it up in the air too high. Just confirming everything is in place. The metal rings are on, perimeter gasket, all the O-rings are correctly installed, the shims are on the ends. I'm going to change the engine position just a little bit so that no cylinder is all the way at the top, just in case I'm pushing a valve when we put on the head surface. We're going to clean it one more time before it mates. This is Randy. He came out to volunteer today.
Hey guys.
He drove a couple hours to get here, so we definitely appreciate that. We'll see how this goes. Tyler's putting the engine hoist together here now, the cherry picker. Hit the bus. And then before we get it all the way close, I'm going to do one last cleaning over there, make sure everything is perfect. Can you kick it that way?
Yeah, just kick it that way a little bit. There we go. Okay. In further, you're still tight this way? Yep, you need a little bit more.
All right, hold on a second.
Ready? Yep.
Okay, let's take them up to 240 now. Also, we'll have people complain if you grab that torque wrench high up on the shaft. They don't like that. They're not the ones pulling on it. My other torque wrench, you have to have your hands on the handle or it doesn't work. This one clicked at the end. So. Good job. So Lee stopped by with some free goodies today.
You know what a finger saver is? That's what we call it. You put it over a wrench or clamp it down, and then somebody can hit it.
Yes.
And not mash your fingers. That's a finger saver. And I know you know what WD-40 is. And Kroll.
Yeah, that's the good stuff.
That's $75 a gallon. There's some paper towels. You ever use lapping compound? There's 320 and
that's a lifetime
220.
supply there.
Yeah. Just some duct tape. You need a pipe wrench.
Probably don't. I have one just like it already, but thank you.
That's a B&O hammer. It's where you can hold it and hit the hammerhead is what it's designed for. That's what I was, there's two different sizes here. That's a tap extractor. The taps broke off.
Yep.
You push those little flutes in there, push that collar against it, and turn it out. There's a couple different sizes in here.
Definitely could have used that last month.
There's another one. You use anti-seize?
Yeah, I've got a huge tub right now.
Get some burr bits. You need cud fluid?
Always.
Just leave it in it. You ever use Dykem Blue?
I've not. No.
You can take it and put it around a valve, and then tap the valve and pull it out, and you see where
it left a mark. Yeah.
Just different types of tape. It's that spray stick stuff. It's on sticky stuff. You have this. That's double-sided tape if you want to stick something.
Yeah.
Down. That's 320.
Oh, easy. Oh man, that whole box is awesome. That's a whole box full of
There's
awesome.
100. I think that's 180.
Never have enough emery cloth.
You got Scott-Sprite pads.
I could use them. Yep.
There's two different kinds in here, so there are two different courses. All right. This stuff right here is called Gore-Tex. You ever heard of it? If you get in a bind, you peel it off. It's Teflon, and you put it around a circle. And you overlap it. It'll crush down and make a gasket. If you get on the road, there's two different sizes: 3/4 and 1/2 inch.
Okay.
That's $700.
Oh my gosh.
And then you know what these are?
Yeah.
You know what a honing stone is? You got a flat surface like a block. You smooth it down. Well, it's got a fine side.
Nice.
But, it's just, I got a lot of this stuff. So.
Yeah. That's the mother load.
Some, I throw in some this. These are good.
Yeah. They don't heat up the metal and remove stuff really well.
Right. Now you just got to find a place to put it.
I'll make room. Okay, so we got the other head going in now. We had to hook up a fuel line on it first, which we're catching just a little bit here.
Yeah, if you can watch that, that'd be awesome.
Okay.
So I'm trying
Yeah.
to watch
Yeah,
back
a
here.
little bit crooked.
All right, stop.
Okay.
And time for me to help instead of video. And we're torquing the other head that is now on there. Got all the fuel lines hooked up.
Let me see if we can get it.
That was a hard part. We just took it to 210 and they're going to 240 right now.